Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can switch between your accounts on Discord. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Discord via the web app or desktop application or mobile if you like and log into your account. So guys, you can switch between your accounts if you have two or more of them on Discord by simply clicking into a username in the bottom left corner and by clicking into switch accounts here. Here to the right you will see all accounts you're currently logged in on your device. You may also click into manage accounts here. And after that, navigate through your accounts. As you can see, there's only one account, but if you have more accounts on your device here on Discord, all of them will be listed here. You may add also a second or a third one by clicking into this button and simply log into your account so that it may appear in that list here or in that list in the bottom left corner here so that you may switch from one to another. And you will see the selected or current account by that checkmark icon here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.